Hello students, today we will discuss a few MCQs that came in the previous year exam of business studies held by the Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. The first question is, soaps are included under which type of industry? The options are synthetical industry, analytical industry, processing industry and assembling industry. Our answer here will be option C. Why so? Because soaps will come under processing industry. Why? Because they are made by converting raw materials, that is like oils and alkalis, all these are converted to the finished goods. So these processes known as processing, or these kind of industries where raw materials are converted into finished goods are known as processing industries. So soaps will come under processing industry, that is option C. The next question we have is, the company cannot come into existence without option A, certificate of incorporation, option B, electing directors, option C, issuing prospectus, and option D, all of the above. Our answer here will be option A, that is certificate of incorporation. That is the certificate, or we can say that is the birth certificate of a company. So without this certificate, a company will never get legal status. So our answer is option A, certificate of incorporation. And the next question we have is, in which year was the Companies Act reframed? Our answer here is option C, that is 2013. Before 2013, the last Companies Act was in 1956, but it was reframed again in the year 2013. Hello students, today we will discuss a few MCQs that came in the previous year exam of business studies held by the Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. The question here is, in a cooperative society, the main principle followed is, the options we have is one share, one vote, next is one member, one vote, next is multiple votes, and the last one is no vote. Here our answer will be number B, option B, that is one member, one vote. Why so? Because every cooperative society follows one principle, that is democratic control. So every member will have only one vote. So our answer becomes number B. And the next question we have is, multinational companies are controlled and managed by option A, registered office, option B, parliament, option C, branch office, option D, subsidiary company. Our answer here is option A, registered office. Okay, what are registered offices? These are the parent or headquarters of the company. For example, Apple Incorporation, its headquarters are in the US, so that becomes the registered office. Now, the next question is, when two business enterprises agree to join together for a common objective and mutual gain, it gives rise to option A, joint venture, option B, partnership, option C, company, option D, MNC. Our answer here is option A, that is joint venture. Why so? Because when two companies or two enterprises come together for mutual benefits, that organization itself is known as joint venture. So our answer is option A. Hello students, today we discuss some previous year questions that are MCQs that came in business studies exam held by the Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. The first question here is, DTH services are provided by, the options we have are option A, cellular companies, option B, postal companies, option C, transport companies, and option D, banks. Okay. So what is DTH? That is direct to home services. And which companies provide that service? That is the cellular companies. So our answer is option A, cellular companies. The next question we have is, which of the following is not a form of e-banking services? E-banking means internet banking services or electronic banking services. The options that we have is option A, check, option B, ATM, that is automated teller machine, option C, POS, that is point of sales, and option D, EFTS, that is electronic fund transfer system. Our answer here is option A, check. Why so? Because it does not come under the electronic services of banks. It is a physical document. Now the next question we have is, overdraft facility is available on, the options we have are option A, current deposit account, option B, recurring deposit, option C, savings deposit, and option D, fixed deposit. Our answer here will be option A, that is current account deposit or current deposit account. And why so? Because these are accounts mostly opened by businessmen, and these accounts provide the overdraft facility. So here our answer will be option A, current deposit account. Hello students, today we will discuss some previous year MCQs that came in the business studies exam held by the Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. The first MCQ that we have here is, video conferencing is an example of which type of e-business transaction? The options we have are option A, B2E, that is business to employees, option B, intra B2B, that is business to business, option C, again B2B, that is business to business, and option D, B2C, that is business to customer. Here our answer will be option B, that is intra business to business. Why so? Because video conferencing is done within the organization for e-business transactions. So our answer here will be option B, intra business to business. And the next question we have is, payment for purchases through online shopping is done through, the option are option A, COD, that is cash on deposit, credit card or debit card, option B, COD, that is cash on delivery, option C, credit card or debit card, and option D, none of the above. So our answer here is option A, that is COD, that is cash on delivery, credit card or debit card. And the next question we have is, name the auxiliary to trade which removes the hindrance of time. The options we have are option A, warehouse, option B, trade, option C, transportation, and option D, banking. Our answer here will be option A, warehouse. So why warehouse? Because warehouse stores goods and it removes the hindrance of time by storing the goods. So our answer here will be option A, warehouse.